Lost in the shadows, a world gone astray, searching for meaning, just drifting away. A compass is broken, a map torn in two, wondering which direction to finally pursue. Love leads the way, a beacon so bright, cutting through darkness with its radiant light. A whisper of hope, a gentle embrace. Love leads the way to a better place. Fear holds me captive in chains made of doubt, whispering stories of falling on out. The path seems uncertain, the journey unknown, feeling so fragile, completely alone. But love leads the way, a beacon so bright, cutting through darkness with its radiant light. Whisper